Hi, a very warm welcome to another video blog of My Little Chatterbox, and today we will be discussing how to subscribe to Tail in a Mail. Before we discuss the process, let me tell you a little bit about Tail in a Mail. Tail in a Mail is a monthly subscription book box which is meant for children between 0 to 6 years. And if you subscribe to it, you can opt for a monthly subscription, a quarterly subscription, a biannual, or an annual subscription. And this is meant for kids between 0 to 6 years. Once you subscribe, you will get 3 books in the box based on a particular theme, which changes every month. And you will also get activity suggestions as well as worksheets related to these books. There is also a small element of surprise in the box every month. So once you show an interest, the process starts from there. Now, to show an interest, you have various ways you can do that with. You can mail us at taileinamail@gmail.com, which is TALEINAMAIL@gmail.com. You can log on to our website, which is mylittlechatterbox.in, and you can fill a subscription form, which is available on the website, and we will get back to you. You can call us, or you can also go onto our Facebook page, leave a message there or leave a post there, and we will get back to you right away. Once you show interest, we will send you an introductory mail. This introductory mail will have details of the program. You will have the kind of books you will receive. You will have what all will be there in the box. You will have the details on the delivery process, everything. Besides that, you will also have a link which you can go onto the link, you can fill in the form, and that way you will create your kid's reader's profile. Now, it's very crucial to create your child's reader's profile because we want to understand every child better before they subscribe for the service. Once the reader profile is complete, which will hardly take 1 minute to fill the form and submit it, you will receive an invoice within 2 working days. And in that invoice, you will have the payment, you will have the payment option, how can you make a payment, and you will also have a unique number attached to your name or your child's name. That unique number is very important because that comes handy when you make a payment. And once you've made the payment, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy reading with your children. You can be happy that you're raising a reader. Thank you so much, and happy raising readers. We will see you again on another video blog, and keep on checking our Facebook page and our website for more updates. Bye bye. Thank you.